Hello everyone, and welcome back to another household empties. I do have 3 pre-cut foil sheets today. So I wanted to share something with you guys. These are from the Dollar Tree and they're just the aluminum foil sheets. You do get 30 in here. They are shorter now than they previously was. Further proof of this, except this is from the Dollar General. You get 25 in here, but they are $1, not $1.25 like the 30 count, which in fairness, that's not a terrible deal. So for $1 you get 25 pre-cut sheets, which I love. They fit the pan for the most part. And these right here, okay, where I bought these a couple months ago compared to what they look like now. Okay, same brand, except you do get 30 in here now, and this is from the Dollar General. But look at the size difference. So I just wanted to share with you guys. I like the foil sheets. I'll continue to purchase them, even though they are smaller. It's Sure Fresh heavy duty freezer quart size bags. You get 20 in here. They have a double zipper. I freeze all my meat. Like I'll buy you've seen my hauls, like I will buy the big packs of meat, then I divvy them up, put them in the freezer, and they last a long time. Like I have chicken in there that's probably 3 months old and is still fine and not freezer burnt. These bags do work. They are good and it's a good deal. And then I have these True Living, these are from Dollar General, shaped scrubbers, and you get 5 in here. They are $1, and you get 6 sponges at Dollar Tree for $1.25. But these sponges are just as nice, and they're different colors, which I really like. Basically what they are they're the nail guard sponges. This is what one looks like. Overall, I definitely would repurchase these. They were good. The Clorox Scentiva disinfecting wipes, or Scentiva. I love this scent. I will repurchase these again. I believe they were about $5 for 75 Clorox wipes. And Pacific Breeze and Coconut, they're bleach free, but they smell fantastic. I love these wipes for kitchen, bathroom, all my disinfecting needs. 75 for $5. I don't think it's a bad deal. They're Clorox brand. They smell amazing. They work fantastic. And then I have the Glade Lavender and Peach Blossom. I don't really like lavender, but I do like peach, so that's why I purchased this. This scent is light. It does smell good, but it literally only feels like one room. I do prefer the Feburary. This is 8 ounces. For the bathroom, it does what it's supposed to, honestly, but I'm not crazy about the scent. Well, maybe in a different scent. Definitely would repurchase this. And I have 2 products here that I've never talked about on the channel other than hauling them. But it took me a long time to use this Final Touch Oxy Stain Remover. I did not want this product to end. I wish that the Dollar Tree would have continued to have this product. I can't find this product anywhere now. It says it clings to pre-treat and safely bleach out stains and safe on colors. This product is 32 fluid ounces. It's in a light fresh scent. Really cute packaging. The sprayer worked great. It did fantastic on removing stains. It was actually really great for stain removal. And then this product here, I don't have the packaging, but basically I found these at the Dollar General, and they are color catching sheets. Whenever you do a load with, you know, a red, pink, whatever, or a new black item that you think might get on it might bleed in the washer, put one of these in there and it works, because this was solid, crisp white. Okay, and I put it in with some of Connor's new black clothes, and look at this. It did work. It caught the color. There's like 10 sheets to a package, and it's like Color Shield, something like that, in the dollar deals out at Dollar General. And I'm going to run through these kind of quickly because I talk about these several times over. LA's Totally Awesome 2-in-1 laundry detergent plus fabric softener, fresh scent, 42 fluid ounces, does 21 loads. I always do large loads, so I get about 10 to 11 loads out of this, which is fine. I like the scent of this. It does get our clothes clean, and I am most definitely going to repurchase this again. And then the Powerhouse and Wash Scent Booster in the Lavender Burst. Once again, this is 12 ounces, so it is a good deal at the Dollar General for $1. I'm not crazy about the lavender scent, but this one isn't so overpowering that I don't like it, so I end up being fine with this one, so I just purchase it. I do prefer the fresh linen scent though. And then the Suavital Complete. This is 14.4 ounces and it does 12 loads. They've recently downsized and you can only find these at the Dollar Tree in 10 size. I like the Suavital Complete mostly because they already have the fabric softener in this, but I like this for color protection, and it smells really nice and stain removal. I love this and it works. So definitely recommend trying this out if you haven't. Because I haven't edited the household empties yet, I'm just going to throw this quick tidbit in. LA is totally awesome 2-in-1 laundry detergent plus fabric softener. Everyone probably already knows by now how much I love this stuff. It works and it's good. I found this at the Dollar General though. It does the 32 loads, and I would say I get about 15 loads out of this because I do large loads, so 2 capfuls, 64 fluid ounces for $1 in the dollar deal aisle at Dollar General. Another great item I found at the Dollar General in the dollar aisle is the Clorox Island Escape. This is the scent booster and this smells amazing. It's 12 ounces. It comes in a Ziploc little baggie, but I just added it to my other scent booster jar. This smells fantastic. It lingers on the clothes, is really nice. If I find this again, I'm definitely going to repurchase this. And the last and final item I have to share with you is from Dollar Tree. This is the Home Store Fabric Refresher. This is 33 fluid ounces. It's supposed to eliminate odors, and it says it's extra strength. The nozzle is just okay. It does come in, I mean, you get quite a bit of product, so for $1.25, I can't really be that upset. But what I am upset about is it doesn't really work. It barely has a scent. It's almost non-existent, and it's basically like I'm just spraying water onto the clothes. So a bit disappointed. I wish it was better for the price. I wish it was better for the amount you get, but all in honesty, this didn't really work like I had hoped. Yeah, that is my household empties for today. I hope you enjoyed the video, found the reviews helpful, and will try some of these products out for yourselves. So thank you guys so very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like these.